This is the damage. 30-year-old idiot is not paying attention to her vehicle where she's driving for a second, and fishtailing, flipping, and scaring the shit out of all of her loved ones. You have to say, just a couple scratches, sore neck, but she is very, very safe. Everything went off. Yeah, this is what it is. Everyone's safe and sound. We're down a very rare vehicle.